In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up affiliate offers so that your affiliates can go ahead and share their links and start selling your products on your behalf. So what we're going to do is navigate over to our network over here on the left-hand side, and we're going to come here to offers. And we're going to go ahead and add our first offer. And this one I'm going to go ahead and call 25% on sales. And then you'll go ahead and add a description and say, well, you will earn 25% on any sales of this product. And then you're going to select your offer duration, so how long this is going to run for. And I'm going to say that I want this to end on the 30th of April. So let me go ahead and select today's date all the way to the 30th of April and hit apply. All right, then you're going to select which pages and funnels this affiliate link is associated with. So what we're going to do is select a funnel that I created behind the scenes. So if you want to know how to create funnels, please go watch our funnel playlist. But I just created this funnel behind the scenes so that I can walk you through the overall sales process. So someone will get a link to this funnel, go through the sales process, and any sales that are made using this affiliate's link are then going to assign that commission to that affiliate. So we're going to go ahead and select our funnel. You can also select certain pages on your website. So you could scroll through and choose which of these pages you would like to be relevant to this link or this offer as well. I'm just going to leave it as the funnel, and then I want to make sure that this is published, and I'm going to hit save. All right, so now that we've created that offer, our affiliates will have access to it. So I'm going to go ahead and log in as Betty, and we're just going to come here and log in bettydemo.com and log in. And then we're going to navigate to her affiliate section. So we're going to come here to account and click on affiliate. And if we scroll down to the bottom, we'll see all of the offers that are available to her. So when we click on this, you'll see this offer is going to expire on the 30th of April. So she's got the expiry date for this offer, and you will earn 25% on any sales of this product. And if we scroll down here, you'll see that she's got those offers. And if she clicks here, she'll see all of the information about this offer. So this offer is going to expire on the 30th of April, and she's going to earn 25% on any sales of this product. She'll then be able to copy this link and go and share it with her network. So if she's a massive influencer, she can go and share it with all of her followers and start earning those commissions on any sales she makes of this product. Now, before we walk through the entire process of how your affiliates are going to start earning commissions, we need to finish a few more things. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how to set up your payout methods so that your affiliates can actually start receiving the payments from their marketing efforts. I'll see you there.